cabbage.
Your child doesn't like cabbage? Let's disguise the cabbage as a toast. Thinly slice. A fistful of the cabbage is what you need per person. Soak for 10 minutes. Now rinse. Put the cabbage in the sieve, and open the center, so that water drains quicker. This is optional. Now, cut a few peppers lengthwise, deseed, and chop them into tiny bits. Well drained? Put them into a mixing bowl. I am making 3 toasts for my 3 boys, which means 3 fistfuls of the cabbage. You need to add half tablespoons of potato starch for 1 toast. That's why I added 1½ tablespoon of potato starch to make 3 toasts. Add chopped peppers and mix. This is optional, so you don't need to. Now add eggs. Again, 1 egg for 1 toast means I need 3 eggs for 3 toasts. Mix well. Make a hole in the middle of the sliced bread. It would be best to make it big enough for the cabbage to nestle in it. Preheat the frying pan, and add butter. Swirl the butter around the pan as it melts. Lay bread on the heated pan and let fry a few minutes. Place the thinly sliced cabbage in the hole. Swirl around the frying pan. Add more butter if you need to. The first attempt at flipping the bread fails. It needs to be a lot firmer, so let it toast a bit longer. Now the second attempt. Beautiful. Look at the color. The cabbage sits in so perfectly. Let it toast the other side until it becomes firmer. Place 2 sliced ham on the top of the toast like the footage. Now cover the ham with American cheese. Wait a bit until the cheese melts. It's ready to be decorated. To do this, you need 1 small food fridge bag. Squirt ketchup into 1 corner of the bag. Now squirt mustard into the other side of the corner. Tie a knot like the footage, which will stop ketchup and mustard from getting mixed. Now use scissors to make a tiny opening of each corner of the sauce bag like the footage. Squirt ketchup through the tiny opening of the bag that contains ketchup. And also, squirt mustard through the tiny opening of the bag that contains mustard. Finally, decorate with balsamic glaze or balsamic cream. What a fantastic disguise. I hope your children love this cabbage toast.